Hello traders, and welcome back to Backtested. In today's video, we're going to test a bullish engulfing pattern over a 60-day period on the 15-minute time frame. Then, we'll take things a step further, first by reducing the take profit to see how it impacts performance, and then by adding the 20-period SMA for some extra bullish confirmation. Finally, we'll limit our testing to the New York session only, instead of running the pattern 24/7, and see how that affects the results. Let's get into it. We will be testing on crypto, but you can test in stocks and Forex, so keep it in your mind. After heading to the crypto backtesting interface, disable the sell position side. Since we are testing the bullish engulfing, we will look for buy positions only. And if you are aiming to test sell strategies only, you have to disable the buy conditions. Now select the bullish engulfing in the candlestick patterns menu. For the asset, we will choose XRP USD. Keep the time frame 15 minutes. Set 2% for both the take profit and the stop loss. Set the position size to 1,000 since XRP trades below $1, and verify that the account balance is sufficient. In some cases, the backtest may stop placing orders when available funds are low, particularly for high-priced assets like Bitcoin. Now skip trades if there is open orders. I will press backtest and wait a few seconds. You go ahead and press like and subscribe. The results show a loss of 0.31% of the account, but the performance was slightly better than a simple buy and hold strategy. There were 78 trades with 47% win rate, and the profit factor was below 1, meaning the strategy earned 88 cents for every $1 risked. That's a brief overview of the stats. Next, we'll review the chart to see if there's room for improvement in the strategy. And there you have it. This is a chart along with the trade history table at the bottom. You can see the equity and return curves, as well as the profits and losses, plus the entry and exit points marked on the chart. On the right-hand side, you'll find the control panel, where you can zoom in and out, undo or redo actions, refresh the view, and scroll. Pretty basic stuff. There's also a dark mode checkbox at the top left, so you can switch themes as needed. And now, let's get back to the strategy discussion. We'll try reducing the take profit level to see how it affects the results, since I noticed on the chart that a few trades missed potential wins because the take profit target was set too far away. The new results show an increase in both the number of trades and the win rate, as you can see. However, the overall return is lower, and the profit factor has dropped to 0.78, meaning the strategy now loses $1 for every 78 cents it earns. Reducing the take profit increased both the win rate and the number of trades, but also reduced the overall return. It seems the bullish engulfing didn't really guarantee bullish moves after all. So let's try adding a moving average condition to make it more aligned with the trend. All right, now, head to the moving averages drop-down and select single moving average. Keep the type as SMA and the period at 20. I will leave the color as green, and make sure the condition is that the price is above the SMA. Press backtest and wait. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, the new result shows that the return is still a loss, but it's less worse than before. The win rate has improved, while the number of trades is slightly lower. The profit factor has increased from 0.78 to 0.91. Now, let's set the session to New York. Instead of testing the strategy 24/7, maybe the session's volatility will help improve the results. The New York session often has high liquidity and strong momentum, which can really change how a strategy behaves. After changing the session, we will see now. And yes, the results have improved a bit again. The returns are less negative. The win rate is higher, there are fewer trades, and the profit factor has also gotten a little better, but still losing. And as you can see, the chart shows the moving average and the trades that occurred during the session. You can notice that the positions are now being opened above the moving average. Also, just a quick note, in the trade history table, positive position sizes represent long trades, meaning buys, while negative sizes represent short trades, meaning sells. Since we were testing a bullish engulfing setup, we were mainly focused on buy signals. That's why all the positions are positive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.